Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Umulan pala ngayon everyone dito. Hindi ko na malayan ang ulan ng Lunes. Today is Monday everyone. Today is Monday, 18th of November. Time check is 4:15 I think. Yeah. Sa 4:15 na ako umalis sa bahay sa labas. And yun lang everyone. Mabasa ang lupa. And yeah. Mag 4:18 na pala. So I need to rush. Yun lang everyone. Kasi 4:39 dadaan ang bus. This is my 15 sorry. This is my 15 minutes walk every day. Except Saturday and Sunday. But sometimes I'd rather walk for 15 minutes if I take the bus for Sunday. Yun lang everyone. Bye at the moment. Ayan. Good morning everyone. Andito ako sa front ng famous store here in UK. That's it. They call it Harrods because I'm gonna take the train there on the side between the Zara and the Harrods. Ang ganda nila oh. Christmas time na nila. So that's it of the moment. I'm gonna take the train. Yeah, there. And between the Zara. Ito ang pinakamahal na tindahan dito sa UK, the Harrods, famous siya pero ganda. Kakaiba yung kanilang yeah. Para gumalaw yung mga libro. Magtaas baba. Ayan siya. Napapagod siya. Hanggang Pasko siya dyan. And then also this one, the one, and this is the entrance, closed pa, mamaya pang 10 ang kinalang bukas. Everyone, see you when I see you. My dog is there, it's and eto na, mag-train ako dito para malapit na sa bahay. Tapos ito pa ang isa pang ay Bicunia, hindi naman siya gumagalaw, hindi siya gumalaw. Yan ang mga mamahaling bag dito sa Harrods sa Zara. Ay sarado pa eh, so dito na lang muna tayo rin because it's already 9 ano lang 9:20. So that's it at the moment. Bye bye. Hello everyone. Andito na ang train ko going to Green Park. And then this is Piccadilly line. So next mag Jubilee line ako sa Green Park. That's it everyone. 11:05 na everyone. Kain tayo. Halo-halong leftover. Tapos meron ako dito coffee. Barley coffee. Ayun lang. Ito yon, coffee mix. Classic ng malunggay. Malunggay coffee. Yun lang everyone. See you when I see you para makapag-nap ako. Yeah. Nap ako ng 30 minutes or 1 hour is good for me. But at the moment, happy tummy for me. Hindi ako nakakain ng dinner kagabi kasi nakatulog ako and then nagising ako ng anong oras ako nagising? 9 ng gabi. So, tinamad na ako pumaba para kumuha ng pagkain. Yun lang everyone. Bye at the moment. Good afternoon everyone. It's 3:40 na. Yeah. May barricade doon. Because of the water. Thames. Problem. Update tayo. Ano yung umuumbon po. It's raining actually but I forgot my umbrella is in the other bag. So just tiny rain. So I can have a look on the barricade. Crossing not in use, so totally closed this area. No one can pass by except the person or except the people like me, you know. So until there on the other side and on the other side. So we're making improvements daw. Yun lang everyone. Bye at the moment. See you at Algate Station or in my work. Bye! Wow, everyone, nandito na ako pero umuulan. Maulan dito. Kaya lang kaya ko pa. Kaya ko pa nung walang payong. I'm here already. This is the Myriad is here. 9 o'clock in punto. So they said platform 3 inches some 5 minutes. But I don't want to go down because sometimes they change it. Look, but it's really 4 minutes and it's raining, so look, Cat Kidston Johnny gave me an umbrella because I said I don't have umbrellas. He said it's raining, but I said, oh, sorry for me, I don't have umbrella, and that rain is there. Look, okay, let's go everyone, going down. See when I see you. Oh, bago pa oh. Bagong-bago everyone, Cat Kidston. Meron akong Cat Kidston, pero iniwan ko sa Pilipinas. Nasira is yung isang tadyang, pero pinaayos ko. So, ayun, naayos. Nagagamit ko sa Pilipinas. Pag summer, pag mainit, kasi magaan. And maliit. Ayan. So, let's go inside for this service. Okay, bye at the moment. See you later, everyone. Ayan, everyone, time check. Ano na po? 10 to 10. Oh, it's raining tonight. Kaya, dito ako dumaan sa main road dahil doon ay maraming tubig. So ganun pa rin, basa pa rin ang aking sapatos sa loob. Kasi ano naman talaga to. Itatapon na. Lang everyone. It's raining ngayon. Diba? Oh, grabe. Buti na lang binigyan ako ni John ng payong. Sabi ko, can I borrow an umbrella because I have no umbrella. So, binigay niya sa akin to. Sikat Kidston bago. Habala. Oh, diba? Eh, sabi ko sa kanya, can I have this? Yes daw. Ah! Bongga. Ayan na. Grabe. Ito nga lang maliit. Mga Kidston, maliit ang payong. Pang ulo mo lang talaga eh. Hindi ko tulad yung payong yung Uniqlo. Malaki. Ayun lang everyone. Nandito na tayo sa bahay. Makauwi na rin kahit basa ang paa. Basa lahat everyone. Hindi nyo naririnig hindi nyo nakikita yung patak ng ulan sa video pero malakas. Ayan o. Okay, bye-bye. See you everyone. Kakain pa naman ako. Mag-dinner pa ako kahit sabihin mo alas 10 na dahil delikado ang aking tiyang. Bye at the moment. God bless everyone. Good night and I love you all. Sa maulang gabi. Kain tayo everyone for dinner while watching my vlog and editing at the same time. God bless everyone. Good night and I love you all.